everyone. So I have a long time friend came to visit me. Step on the phone. So I to the people in man. Nah, Jesus. People feel like they're Jamaican. Oh, my word. Oh, somebody's at the door. Let's see who is at the door. Hi. Surprise. She hasn't seen a surprise her with my mom. Then we have to keep on the call. I said, where you are?
Oh, grandma, yes. Come on, boy. Always I pray for you. Mom, how are you? Stand for yourself. I'm sorry. Behave yourself.
Hang on.
Yeah.
What?
Jamaica. Yes. I'm glad to see you, big man. Yes,
what did your mom feed
Your
you?
dressing style are something different.
Yes, man. Every day I say to them, I say this, say, Mama, come here, come try for me. Oh, God. Yes, so everything. Baby, oh boy. How can I feel?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not saying his mother did pass away there. I'm not going to
I know. So hi, Hi everyone. So my friend is here from Regina. So I brought her to the cross-side mill. She's looking something at Forever One. Like she's 21. Yeah, you have a YouTube friend, yes. Leo. So I'm just gonna show you around Cross-side Mills. Just take a walk around. Yeah, she's buying stuff. I may be buying some stuff on Black Friday, not today. Yes, who knows? We'll see. Yes. I love. I guess so. What more can I do? All I want for Christmas is you.
We're somewhere. I know the Toys R Us down that way. Leo, and come here. Yeah, I got Victoria's Secret. Okay, alright, that's true. Alright, let's go. Do you want to go? I think if I go straight and turn right, it goes Coach. Okay, let's go. How long time am I going? Are you on the No. You think they would tell them, say, okay, you can come and try it. Tell us. Tell us what? What are you going to tell us? Robert, well, I guess, like them teeth and tip draw some high school children. And they never see them on camera. Down here. Right, there's Tommy. And there's H&M. I don't know them, man. Yes. See, yes, down there. Winners down here, so then. I'm telling you, bro.
Oh, which black one? The top one up top? Leo, leave it.
You guys need anything?
We're just looking for now, though. Where one?
I believe there's 74.99, but I can double check.
There's a lot of $74.99. Yeah, you notice? Leave them.
Which one do you want? This one?
Hold hand. Leo. What did I say? Stop. Is it there? That's it. The things is something that will come out. Where are we going? Stretch? Yeah, we are coming from around the side anyway. You see that Victoria's Secret and then Victoria's Secret pink. Calvin Klein.
What's the price? No, look what the price is, isn't it? How much? Oh, that's not bad. I'm thinking that with a side $200. You notice them combine? They're too expensive, man. Hold on, I gotta look on something. That's much as well expensive. Oh, really? That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool.
So yes guys, we're just doing the last round. We stopped at Michael Kors and other store here. She went inside while I'm tired. This, when you do come to Cross Mills Mall, please check out the map before you go walking and looking for a store, because it will take you all the way around if you don't know what you're doing. So I'm just gonna sit. Oh. Tired? Mommy's tired. Say hi. Say to mommy.
Hi.
Here we go. Michael Kors. And we're here on Black Friday. Coming up to Black Friday weekend. So we're supposed to have some good sales going on, hopefully. How much? 60% off? 50? And take an additional 10% off that one at register. Reduction taken at register. Oh, those are some nice bags there. I like these pouches. These are very nice. And you have some bag up there. I love the setup of Michael Kors. It just looks so fancy. You know, so that kind of look like. That's Messi $368. Probably it's that one. $68. Which one I rather take? The children are 68 or 68? Then how much off that? 50? Plus take an additional 10% off? You must be. Are you serious? A joke you make? Please do ask. That look at something there for $68. For 60. Are you serious? 300 and
370.
Lord. These are exclusive offers right here. Under $99 they said. Let's take a look. It's simple. This is $268. And then it's a $99 up here, so confused. It's so confused.
Joy. Joy.
Yeah, they are. Oh, this looks nice. But the price that come from, if the price that come from